In this video we are going to study how to make an Instagram poster in Canva. First of all, select any template and you can delete the design on that template. Let's take a photo of food from Photos option in Canva. Here we can see photo is in rectangle shape. To fix this in circle frame, let's search frames on search bar. Now we can see a circle frame comes. Let's duplicate that food image from duplicate option down here so that we can add that photo on circle frame. Now how it's look? Wonderful, isn't it? Then let's add a text related to a restaurant name. Suppose here I am giving tasty treats. We can change the font style from font option. Also can change color from font color option. Now let's change the background color to brown, and let's change the element color too. Now our small poster is ready. You can add contact details, address and all to this poster according to your choice. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.